At this very moment, hidden dangers exist in your laundry room. The everyday use of a clothes dryer and washing machine accounts for over 400 injuries and $350 million in reported property damage each year. These appliances, designed for convenience, also leave you vulnerable to serious fire and water damage. Every year, over 15,000 dryer fires occur in homes just like yours. This is often the result of a kinked dryer hose, an unusually long duct, a screen in the passageway, or even a bird's nest, all of which restrict airflow, allowing lint to accumulate and blow back into the dryer's heating element. Proper dryer exhaust airflow plays a key role in safety while helping you maximize energy efficiency in your home. By monitoring the back pressure in the dryer's exhaust duct, the LintAlert warns you of a significant blockage. Washing machine-related water damage accounts for almost 15% of major residential claims, at an average of $5,500 per incident. Washing machines can leak for a variety of reasons, including a clogged or loose drain hose, a punctured supply line due to excessive pressure or wear, or even exceeding your washer's load capacity. The LintAlert's leak sensor adheres to the floor near the washing machine, providing advance notice of potential water damage. Disguised as a simple nightlight, the LintAlert PRO Plus reveals a soft blue illumination in standby mode. As lint builds up over time and restricts airflow, the light bar blockage indicator will progressively illuminate from green to yellow, then to red. Providing an extra layer of security for your home, the LintAlert PRO Plus connects to your home's Wi-Fi and alerts your smartphone in real time of excessive back pressure or puddling water. Please remember, the LintAlert is a safety device and does not replace regular inspection and maintenance. The Wi-Fi-enabled LintAlert PRO Plus, the first smart home safety device that protects your entire laundry room. Get one today.